Hey art friends, today we are going to draw Rupee from Zelda.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're using our markers to draw with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing the outside shape of our Rupee. We're going to draw 2 straight lines down, and I'm going to start here and draw it straight down, and then I'm going to leave some space, and then we'll draw another line straight down to match the same length. And we're drawing in parallel so they go right next to each other. Yes, yours is awesome. Next, we're going to draw 2 guide points, and we're going to measure with our eyes in between these 2 lines, split it in half, and go straight up. Then we're going to draw a guide point up here, and that's for the top point. And then we're going to do the same thing and try to leave that same space down here, right in the middle, guide point. Oh, I probably should do that a little lower. I'm going to do a little lower. And that's okay if you need to add another point, because we're going to draw a straight line there. Now let's start at this top guide point, and we're going to draw a diagonal line to the left and connect to that first line. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line down to the right side to connect. Yeah. All right, now let's draw down here and connect to the center point. And then we can connect over here too. Nice. Now let's repeat that same shape for the inside. We're going to draw it smaller. So let's first start by drawing the parallel lines on the side. So we're going to come in, and these side lines are going to be shorter than the outside line. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw coming straight down, and we want it shorter. We don't want to go down to match the same length. Now we're also going to use our eyes to measure this distance and try to match it over here, and then we're going to draw a straight line down to match. Now we're going to do the same thing and add a guide point at the top and also at the bottom. And then let's connect those. We'll draw a diagonal line connecting from the center point to the side lines, and the same thing here. This next part's really fun. We're just going to connect the corners. So we'll start at the top. We can connect there. Then we can also connect on the side. Then let's jump down here to the bottom and see I drew right through that guide point. And then we're going to connect these on the side too. And we did it! We finished drawing our Rupee, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yeah, it's going to look so much better all colored in. Now we're coloring ours green, but you could change the color because there's all different kinds of colors in Zelda. But we're going to fast forward this part, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Rupee, and it turned out awesome.
Thanks, it looks really shiny.
Yeah, and we used our markers to color with, but you could use whatever you have. Now, if you're using markers, we used a regular green first, and then we layered darker greens on the sides. But we also have this really bright green up at the top, so that it looks like there's light shining from that side.
Yeah, it looks super 3D.
Yeah, you know, you could color it just solid green too to keep it easier.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Rupee with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!
Bye. You gonna buy me an emerald that big?
Nope. That's too big.